Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to delete Salesforce record using the extension Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So in the last couple of videos I have shown like how to import Salesforce record using that extension, then how to export and like how to update records using that extension. So today I'll be just discussing and demonstrate how to delete Salesforce record using that extension. So and I'll be adding those tutorial link in this YouTube video descriptions regarding that importing of the records, regarding updating and export of the records. So today I'll be now just discussing about how to delete those records, and please watch this video till the end to learn how to delete Salesforce record using that extension. So let me just retrieve those records, means those I just like want to delete. So let me write this SOQL like select ID, name, then spaces. So I'll be using that same custom object like animal records custom object. So this contains like uh, animal records, and let me just select few fields, then adopted, then date of birth, and let me just run export. And I'll be just filtering out like I want to just delete those records having the species like let me choose this rabbit. So I'll be deleting all those record having the species value is rabbit. So let me just add that condition filter condition like where species equals to rabbit, and there are like 7 records are there. So I want to just delete these 7 records, and we can just download the records by clicking on this download as CSV file, so that we can just refine the records. And since we just need to get the IDs for the records those we want to just delete, that is why we need this list of records. And based on this ID we will be just mapping while deleting the records based on this unique ID. And this is the standard field in the in every object for every record in Salesforce. So based on the ID will be mapped while deleting those records. So let me just download this CSV file, and my file got downloaded, and let me just open that record. And this is the file. Let me just autofit column with, and we can just delete the first column, and we need this main column like ID. So based on this ID value we can just delete those record. And let me just remove this date of birth column as well, or adopted column as well. And so from this Salesforce Inspector Reloaded extension UI interface, we can just click on this action button like data import, and in the data import we can just select the action type as like delete. So I'll be just selecting this action type as delete, and I'll be choosing the object. So animals is my object name, and after choosing the object we just need to paste the records. So I can just open the CSV another time, and we just need to select all the data, and we can just copy those records, and we can just directly paste this record. And after pasting the records we can see this field mapping, and we can see this ID is got automatically mapped. Basically we just need this ID mapping, but we can just map other fields as well. So name, so this is animal name basically. Or you can just keep this this one as well. So species column it's not able to recognize. Actually, let me skip all the remaining columns since we just want to need the list of ID records, those we want just want to delete. And if we see and we can just run the SQL for another time, we can see that still for 7 records are there. Now I'll be just run this delete. So if I just click on this run delete button, and like there are 7 records will be deleted, and this prompt says that this pop-up says that you are just about to modify your data in Salesforce. This action cannot be undone. 7 records will be deleted. I can just click on this delete button, and we can see that the status is succeeded, and these are the IDs got deleted, and we can see that this action type is deleted. And now if I just run the SQL once again, if I just click on this run export, we can see that no data exported. This is how we can just see that these records got deleted. So this is how we can just simply delete the records. And for deleting the records, we just need the list of IDs, and we can specify in the SQL the list of other fields as well. We can include the few fields to proper identification of the records. Like for my case, I just wanted to delete all those animal records having the species as rabbit. So this is how we can just delete the Salesforce record using this Salesforce Inspector extension. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this video. So thank you so much.